Oh, hey, I'm just about to take a break. Come on in. What am I doing? I'm doing my Amazon shoppable videos. I have products that I get sent to me for free to review, and Amazon pays me money to make videos on them. Pretty cool. I make money when I sleep. It all started when I started with the Amazon affiliate program, Amazon Associates, where I would put an affiliate link to a product such as this. I would go and I would make a video about this, and I would turn around and I would attach a link that when people clicked the link and went to Amazon, I would get a commission. I would get like a 2% commission or whatever, depending on what the product was, depending on what it is. So that's what I'm doing. And, I've been doing it now for over a year and a half, and it's pretty lucrative. And when I say I'm making money when I sleep, I'm cloning myself. Every video is a clone of myself that I put out there on the internet. I put it on Amazon, I put it on YouTube, I put it on Instagram, I put it on TikTok, and I put it on Pinterest. And this goes out there on the internet, and it earns me money. Every time someone clicks and makes a purchase, I'll get a commission. So you work about an hour or so a day making videos and posting them to your social media. And the rest of the time, these things are out there. They're clones of you. They're on the internet. They're out there. People are watching them at 2 in the morning. And people are watching them in India. People are watching them in California, in New York, all over the country at different times of the day, while you're sleeping, while you're at the beach, while you're doing something else, while you're with your kids. You're living your life, and these videos are making you money while you're doing it. And it's an incredible program. How did I get involved? How did I get involved with the Amazon Influencer Program? I had to build a social media following on another social media, such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And then you can apply and get approved. But before you do that, you should become an Amazon associate, which is their affiliate program. And it'll give you the ability to put links on your social media and drive traffic to Amazon. When you drive traffic to Amazon, you get cookied. What's a cookie? A cookie is a tag that you get to you so they know that you sent the traffic there. Now, whatever that person buys for 24 hours, you'll get a commission for, not just what you sent them for. So let's say I put a link for this and I send it to my email list, or I put it on my Facebook, or I put it on my Instagram, and someone clicks the link and goes to Amazon, right? But they don't buy this. They buy diapers, they buy dog pads, they buy dog food, they buy doilies, they buy paper products, whatever. They buy their whole list for shopping. I get a commission on all of that stuff, even though they didn't buy this, because I drove the traffic to Amazon. And that's the Amazon Associates Program. You should get involved with that. Anybody can get involved with that and get started. And then you start with your social media, whichever one's your best one. YouTube is probably my recommendation, but you could do Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, or YouTube. Build that social media. What you need on YouTube right now? They're saying 2,000 subscribers. But the key is engagement. You have to have a lot of engagement with your audience, people in the chats, in the comment section, and you responding and engaging with your audience. They like to see that. Instagram and TikTok, I'm not really sure. I've heard it's around 10,000, could be more. But the key, I've heard people get in with less. But the key was engagement. They had small audiences, but they were engaged audiences. They're looking for people who have influence over their audience. Okay, so if that's you, apply. I'm kind of running out of coffee here, so I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna make some more coffee. I'm almost done here with these videos, and then I can go enjoy the rest of my day. Take it easy.